Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. And today, welcome on how to go about doing your baked chicken. Now, baked chicken is not a Jamaican specifically baked chicken. Is not sorry, baked chicken is not specifically a Jamaican dish. It's not. Baked chicken is a worldwide dish. The thing, a lot of people do it, have a lot of ways of doing it. So today, I'm gonna demonstrate to you my way of doing baked chicken. This is a good way if you're having a large gathering to get through to your baked chicken fast. This is my way. This is the way. There are other ways, but I mostly use this way. Now, first and foremost, before I start, my oil is there being heated. So, I want to let you all know that my channel, my new channel, the Jamaican Debbie Debs, it's up and running. I've been posting videos there. So, upon you all over there, seeing a few of you, you have been over there and you have been making a few comments. Thank you all. You know yourselves. So, we'll leave the link in the description of these videos below. So, up on over there, man. Give a sister some support. I'm sure you'll enjoy it over there. Okay, you all? Now, bake chicken in depth. I hope you're all in. Now, we have our oil over here. Our pot over here being heated. We have our chicken seasoned right here. As I said to you, season your chicken to your liking. Season your chicken to your liking. I have here grated onion, grated garlic, some grated ginger, and a little all-purpose and a little salt. That is all I have here. You don't have to over season your chicken for baking because remember you're going to use a sauce and you don't want to over season the chicken so when they are finished you do not get the taste of that baked sauce that you're going to make. Now, the baked chicken sauce is on the channel. Go check it out, y'all, okay? The sauce have been there ahead of time. So as I said to you the other day, I try to do my thing in a sort of way that certain things when I'm in depth, you know what you're supposed to do. Now we are doing baked chicken. So when I come back and show you how to dip your chicken in the sauce, you won't have a problem because the sauce is already on the channel, okay? And you can take that sauce and make your twist and put your different flavors to what you want to it. Now our oil is over here being preheated. What we're going to proceed to do is to fry them off in pieces. Get right in. Okay? Put in. So we're going to brown them. Brown them from side to side. Careful, camera girl. From side to side, we are going to brown them off. Okay, y'all? If you want to remove your skin, you do. But I would suggest you keep your skin on. When you're eating, you can always pull off your skin to lock the moisture. When you leave the skin of your chicken on during cooking, it locks moisture inside the chicken. Okay, so when you're eating, you can always remove your skin. Okay, so we are going to fry up these from side to side. We're not going to cover the pot. We're going to brown them. Half brown them. In Jamaica, we say half brown them off. So when you see us next, they'll all be they'll be browned up, not in full, but halfway, and we'll have our sauce ready. Dip, and I'll show you how I dip, and I'll show you how I prepare my casserole for baking chicken. Okay, y'all?